Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name!
What's going on, YouTube? About to change the door pins on my truck. This driver's side door sag a little bit, so you just gotta loosen the harnesses that's down there, pull them through, and you're gonna have to grind or cut off the old ones. The bolts is what are they? You gotta loosen up the 310s. It's one here, one there, one there. That lift the door up off of it. So let me go and get to it. I'm using a cutting wheel on a drill to get mine out and get this done real quick. So stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, I got the door off, just lifted it straight up after I got those 3 bolts out. Made loose. So I'm gonna use the grinder wheel, just cut them out. So let me hurry up and do this. Kind of cold out here. Alright, YouTube, I got them all on. Oh, my bad. Can't even see it. But they all on. And yeah, you could do it one person lifting the door. You know, my little ass can lift the door and get them on there. Y'all big motherfuckers can do it. So that's it. That's all, man. And I didn't even grind these out. My blade had broke, so I used a flathead screwdriver and a hammer. It just kept on knocking, and it came loose. Yep.